I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to lock files for editing in Google Drive. And to be clear, you can only lock a Google Drive file through the Google Drive website, and you can't lock a file in the iPhone, iPad, or Android app. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to drive.google.com, and then sign in to your Google account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your Google Drive home screen. Step 2. Find the file that you want to lock for editing, and then click the vertical ellipses associated with that file to open a menu. Step 3. Click File Information to open a submenu, and then click Lock in that submenu. A window pops up asking if you want to lock this file, which will prevent anyone else from editing or commenting on this file. Step 4. Click Lock again. That Google Drive file will be locked immediately, and you'll see a padlock icon next to that file name. You can unlock your Google Drive file at any time by clicking the vertical ellipses associated with that file, clicking File Information, and then clicking Unlock. Click Unlock again in the window that pops up. Your Google Drive file will immediately be unlocked for others to edit and comment on. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.